is so hard to explain this in one sentence because for me, volunteering was like a game changer, and you need just to try it.
I would say that my life is different after volunteering in the sense that I got so many skills that I am now using as a job opportunity, as well as searching and doing many more things in my life that I personally enjoy, whilst also being self-sustainable enough to let myself travel around and enjoy the things that I would like to do.
It was really nice and humbling experience because you know that somebody is stronger than you, and that one is nature. And besides that, you meet a lot of life friends that you know from all around the world, all around Europe, and you know it changes you, it makes you a better man.
My life is much easier now because I learned how to handle a lot of different situations that I didn't experience before my volunteering project. My life has definitely changed for the better, and I feel like it has put me on the right path to make it the best.
Because you get the validation, but like a complete one from others around you that maybe you cannot have while talking to your friends at home about your experiences.
I think it's a great experience to sum up everything and to meet people from your region and to share stuff that you have learned and experienced, and to see that you were never alone in all of this.
To connect with the fellow volunteers who did experience that is similar, and to kind of remember all the things that they went through, and to feel the gratitude for everything.
Because it's a really nice opportunity to get out of your everyday life now that you're back, and also to connect and reflect with the people that had this similar experiences as you.
So you need just to ask yourself, why not?